Assalamualaikum dear student, this is your 10th lecture. Open your books. Page number 49. Word power. Complete the word puzzle with the help of these clues. You have to fill in the missing alphabet in this word puzzle. As you can see across means from left to right, we need to fill alphabet for word doctor and postman. From down, we need to find words like clown, tailor and singer. Our first clue is we go to a dash when we are ill. Where we go? We go to a doctor. We go to a doctor when we are ill. Find number 1. Here is number 1. It's a cross from left to right. Fill in the blanks. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Number 2. A dash works in a circus and makes us laugh. Who works in a circus? A clown. Find number 2. Here is number 2. C-L-O-W-N, which is down. A clown works in a circus and makes us laugh. Number 3. A dash sings song. Who sings song? A singer. Here is number 3, which is down. S-I-N-G-E-R. Fill in the blanks according to clue. A singer sings songs. Number 4. A dash brings us our letter. Who brings us letters? A postman. Here is number 4, which is a cross. P-O-S-T-M-A-N. Postman. Fill in the blanks according to clue. A postman brings us our letters. Number 5. A dash makes our clothes for us. Who makes our clothes? Our tailor. Here is number 5, which is down. T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. A tailor makes our clothes for us. Do this exercise in your book. Grammar time. Can, cannot. First explain can. If you have ability to perform or do something, you must use can. For example, look at me. I can stand on my hands, says Razi. Cannot. If you have no ability to perform or to do something, you must use cannot. For example, Razi can stand on his hands. He cannot play the guitar. Another example of can: I can swim. I can read books. Another example of cannot: he cannot drive a car. She cannot cook food. Now we do exercise for can and cannot. Exercise A. Complete the following sentences with can and cannot. Look at the picture for help. Look at the picture and choose correct word can or cannot. Number 1. Suraya dash wear the shoes. They are too small for her. We use cannot. Suraya cannot wear the shoes. They are too small for her. Number 2. Amir dash read now. He reads a lot of books. Amir can easily read books, so we use can. Amir can read now. He reads a lot of books. Number 3. The baby dash drink milk from a glass. She needs her bottle. Baby cannot drink milk from a glass by himself. So we use cannot. The baby cannot drink milk from a glass. She needs her bottle. Number 4. My father dash drive a car. He drives very well. As you can see in this picture, he is driving a car. It means he can drive a car. So we use can. My father can drive a car. He drives very well. Number 5. I dash see the picture clearly. It is too far away. As we can see in this picture, a boy is standing far from the picture. That's why he said he cannot see the picture. So we use cannot. I cannot see the picture clearly. It is too far away. See page number 52. Fun time. Match the following groups of words and use them in your conversation wherever possible. Write the complete sentences in your notebook. There is a mistake here. Add alphabet R to make it your. And this word is don't. Let's start. Number 1. What is? Come to my house tomorrow. Your address. Your address is the right answer. Match it. What is your address? Where are? Read a story. Your books. Your books is the right answer. Match it. Where are your books? Why don't you come to my house tomorrow? Write a sentence. Come to my house tomorrow is the right answer. Match it. Why don't you come to my house tomorrow? Which is your? Read a story. Bag. Bag is the right answer. Match it. Which is your bag? Can you? Write a sentence. Read a story. Write a sentence is the right answer. Match it. Can you write a sentence? Can you read a story? Do this exercise in your book. Look at the picture and write 6 sentences about it. I can see a picture of a doctor. Look at the picture and write a sentence. He is wearing a white coat. He is writing. He is holding a report. He is smiling. He works in a hospital. Do this exercise in your book. Dear student, this is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your homework before next lecture. Thank you.